Well, hello, fourth graders. Welcome to math class. This is your teacher coming at you, Mr. Sherwin. Okay, so this is the next shape. We're going to start off today talking about shape attributes. So get your whiteboards out and get this shape drawn, all right? We're talking about this shape right here. I'll highlight it for you. Good. There it is. All right, draw the shape the best you can. Now what I want you to do is spend a few moments writing down all the attributes for this shape, all right, that we've been practicing for the past 5 days now, okay? So do that, and then have a small class discussion and talk about some of the things, some of the attributes that came up with these shapes, all right? So teachers, pause the video now, give your kids a couple minutes to do that, and then start playing the video again, and see if what you came up with matches what I came up with, all right? Hang tight, or pause now. All right, hopefully you found out the name of this, right? And the name of this shape was a rhombus, okay? That's it, a rhombus right there. Now, a rhombus is a unique shape. Sometimes you see rhombuses that look like this, all right? And kids will say, oh, that's a diamond. Well, there's not a shape called a diamond. This is not. If you see a shape like this, it's a rhombus. It's just a rhombus on its side. It's up on a point. You see that? Rhombus. Still a rhombus. Look at it. It's still a rhombus. Still a rhombus. Doesn't matter which angle I put it at, it's still a rhombus. So if you see a shape like this, there's no such thing as a diamond shape. That's a rhombus on its side. Okay? So just so you know that. All right? Turn this back around. There it is. Okay, so we know it's a rhombus. And we know that it has, it's a four-sided figure, or a four-sided polygon. All four-sided polygons are called quadrilaterals. That's right. Quadrilateral. Four sides. Okay? And this one is a special kind of rhombus. It's also being classified as a parallelogram. Right? Because it has two sets of parallel sides. Just like a parallelogram. Right? Same thing with a square. Same thing with a rectangle. Okay? So, that's the next attribute. Two sets of parallel sides. Okay? This side's parallel, that side's parallel. Great. But unlike a square and a rectangle, this has no right angles. You can also categorize about what it doesn't have. And this one doesn't have any right angles. So no right angles for that one. Instead of no right angles, it has obtuse and acute angles. Up here it's got this angle and this angle are acute, and these two angles are obtuse. Okay? So, if you came up with some other attributes, great for you. Good on you, all right? But if you came up with even a few of those, you're still doing great. All right, so we're going to get moving on here with our exit ticket from Lesson 10. So hang tight. We'll be right back with the next video.